Alright guys, welcome back to the channel again. It's Kevin here with Yurkit Racing. We're going to get ready to jump right into this thing. Last week we were on the Rock Solid Motorsports tube front end build. It was part 3 in the series. We had to make some kind of change to the headlights for the bumper to space right with the kit. And this is what we came up with. We're going to run a 4-pack of these LED light bars in there. They're about the same dimensions as the stock lights, but a whole lot lighter and a whole lot brighter. So anyway, I'm going to get started on it. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and let's get to it. Yeah, and if you haven't already, please take a second to subscribe and like the video. It really helps the channel a lot, and I appreciate you guys. We're going to get going. Thanks. So I'm going to get started on making a bracket for these. I'm probably going to take them over there, make some little sheet metal brackets, and I'll kind of bring you guys along, let you see how I did it. Alright, so what we're going to do here, guys, if you look, we got these holes that we got to bolt to. So we're going to measure them, and what we come up with is like 2.5 inch wide bracket would fit pretty good back there. So what I'm going to do, slide you guys in, see if I can get you a shot. We'll put the edge, this edge here, against our sheet metal, and then we're going to take and I'll put our pencil. They got these notches in here, and so at 2.5 we're going to put it in that little slot, and then we're going to use that to mark our line just like such. Then I know I need to do a break in the metal at 3/4, and then we want to go in from 3/4. We want to go another 2 inches, and then we want to go another 3/4 of an inch. Alright, so this here will be our cut line for the first of the middle brackets. Alright, so then we'll cut here, and this will be the section we're going to use. And then I'm going to mark it with this silver pencil at the other 2 spots. One there and one there, and those will be where we break it. We'll use the we'll do it on the bench press. We'll take and we'll break it on these 2 silver lines here, and I'll bring you guys back and show you how that looks once it's done. Alright, so we got to clean it up, but that's what we ended up with. That's the first piece for our middle bracket. Cut us another one of those. Got to clean up the edges and everything to the exact dimensions we want, but that's our 2 pieces for the middle bracket. So we're going to get those going. Once I get them kind of where we want them, I will show them to you guys again.
Alright, so that's one for the middle. That'll give us, well, there it is, 2-inch offset, which matches the stock offset. And bracket number 2 for the middle. Alright guys, so we're going to take this first bracket, put it behind there like that. We'll mark these 2 holes right here, drill them for that. And then this other one will sit behind, let's see, the lip on the bracket will sit behind there. So that's kind of what we're looking at for our offset. So I'm going to mark those holes, drill them, and then I'll bring you guys back. Alright guys, so there you have it. That's got our offset just like our factory headlight had. You see it's super thin. Probably even come back here and cut some of these backside of these bolts off because they're just a little longer than we even need for that. So so far, I mean, that's probably about the same weight as one of the headlamps is that came out of each side. So, and that's the bracket and all. And I got to do a little bracket from here to be able to bolt straight back to the body or to the headlight bracket that we put on from Rock Solid. And then I got to do another bracket to come off back here and kick over to catch the other side. But let's walk it over here to the car. I'll give you guys a shot of what it's kind of looking like side for side, which, I mean, we got some more pieces to get out the way over here, but you can kind of get an idea. Like I said, those should be super bright and a whole lot lighter. So anyway, you see I'm hitting right here, so I can't get back up in there as far as I need to right now. But anyway, we're going to get this section cut out and move the bumper back further in to the car, have all that situated, and then I'll get the brackets finished up here. All right, let's get it. Got that cut off. Like I said, these pieces here will come off all the way, and then we'll finish the bracket. They're all the way loose. I just got to take the bolts out for the other side. So I just wanted to like bring Reagan in. She wanted to pick them up and do like a weight comparison for y'all. So go ahead and grab them, Ray, and see what it feels like to you.
No, wait. This one's lighter. Way lighter.
Way lighter, right? Okay. All right. So yeah, we got Reagan's stamp of approval. Is definitely way lighter for the other two. All right, we're gonna keep going, guys. All right, guys. So what we got now? Like I said, I cut those headlights off. Wherever I did with it, right there. Cut those off from right there on each side, and then we took those spacers right there out, and as you can see, we're flushed up to it now. So I'm gonna throw the bumper back up there, and we're gonna get ready to mock these headlights up and try to see what we can get done that way. Alright guys, so we got this headlight mocked up into place right here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the measurement off the back of that bracket. I'm going to set it at my 4 3/4 depth that we had measured on the old headlights. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to make an L-shaped bracket to come off the back of here, back, and then behind this.
So I need to go, I know this one's 3/4. That leg will be 3/4. This one will be 2 1/4. And then this will be 1 3/4. So, show you here. So I just got to make a couple of pieces like that, and then I'll break them. And once I break them, I'll come back and I'll put them on here for you guys. And then I got to make one for this other side too. I got to take the measurements the same way. I'm gonna do another L bracket over here also, or another, like, you know, same type of bracket on this side also. All right, stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm not going to bore y'all with making the other brackets. We already showed you that one part there for making those. Basically doing the same thing over here on this one. I've got both of them made. Just a little bracket to go behind there. I'm going to get ready to mark back here for the hole. And once I get that marked, I'll start measuring for this side over here. Should be pretty straightforward. Just got to get, like I said, get a couple holes marked and then make another similar bracket to this to go over here. So anyway, we're gonna keep at it. Alright, so our last bracket I gotta make from here. It's gonna be 3/4, 2 1/2 back, and 3/4 over, and we'll be good. Alright, so the bracket's built for this last spot here. Just got to drill the holes. Alright, so this will go in here. Get some holes drilled and connect like that. So anyway, drill the holes. One side is done, guys. One side is done. That is a pretty sleek headlight setup there. Like how it's so thin. I'm really happy with the way it turned out.
Daddy, you made them.
I know it. Yeah, I think that looks pretty good in there.
It was partly the store.
I got all the brackets cut for this other side over here, and I just got a couple more holes to drill in the last one, and then I can put all that back together. So then both sides will be done. Then we just have to finish weld in these bars here and extend these tacks a little bit. And after that, the front end is done. Throw it back together, and it's time to get to work on the OLT1 over there. I actually got the heads back from the shop just a couple of days ago, so excited to get back to work on that. Really, if everything goes right with that, I think I have everything here to put it back together. So we should be not too long in the distant future
should be able to put the motor back in it and get everything back running. It's been a while, pretty excited about it. So anyway, we're gonna keep plugging away. Alright guys, there it is. I got both sides done now. Headlights fitting there pretty good. Really kind of happy with the way they turned out. So shut this hood down, give you a shot with those closed. Little front end view. Yeah, I think we're going to be real happy with those, man. So I got to get the power ran up to them, and I'll probably give you guys a shot with the with the headlights turned on. I'm going to wire them up where the low beams and the high beams both work. I'll have one come on with the lows and then one come on with the highs. So anyway, let's get to it. Alright guys, here we go. Let's turn them on for the first time. Let's see what it looks like. Alright, then high beams. Dang. Oh yeah, they look good in there. The hood's sitting up a little high still. But when that's down where it's supposed to be, should be tucked like that. And that's going to do really good for us, guys. I'm really happy with it. So like I said, if you guys enjoyed the video, man, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you got any questions about how anything was done. Other than that, I guess we'll see you on the next one. Take it easy, guys. Alright guys, so if you stuck around this long, I just wanted to give you one more shot here at nighttime. Got the old Kevin's Hot Rod Garage going. Just wanted to give y'all another shot at night with the lights. Kind of get an idea of how well these things light up. I mean, there you go, guys. Like, that's low beams, high beams. Like, we're sitting inside the garage right now. But yeah, I mean, it's lighting up a whole lot more than the old lights used to do. Really bright. So anyway, yep, that's it guys, thanks.